This is the update for the rebuild of my Seacraft 23. Today is Saturday, February 24th, 2018. Been a busy day today. I managed to take out all the cushions and nuts and bolts that was underneath the seat here. I just put the leaning post up on top of the cushion for now. I primed it, painted with the all grip primer that I got all along the gunnels down to the back, and also did a couple of the hatches for the floor. I did those as well. Ran the piping for my rigging, cables, stereo cables, etc., in the valve. This is the area here where my porta potty is going to be. I'm just going to wait for the PVC board to get that sorted out. Divide those up. That's my fish valve there. It's going to be forward of the console. So the console is just going to stop about there, but it will actually end up just around that area right there. So it's going to be a pretty big console. You'll be able to get inside, sit down, relax. You can hold two people in here. This area here is just under 36 inches. So it's a pretty long area. The tank's going to be there. That's about 4 feet. And then in the back there where that other hatch is there, that's going to be all the macerator pumps, bilge pumps, flow valves and whatnot for the fish valves up on either side, and then dealing with all the gunnels. All this has just been primed today and ready for light sanding next week, and then a top coat. And then after that, just start pouring the foam and lay, cap them off with some fiberglass and resin, and then put the subfloor down. So this is it so far. And I think this is going to be a little quicker rebuild than I thought. Then after, obviously, we're going to do the transom, but I'm waiting for the Seacraft to come for that. So once that's up and running, then enclose the transom, put the Armstrong bracket on, and then start the rigging of the console. So here we are.